Most people get this wrong when they ask if Blackout Bingo is legit. They focus only on screenshots of winnings or social media comments. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real way to judge any gaming app is by understanding how it works, what it promises, and whether those promises match reality. In this video, we're giving you the real answer about Blackout Bingo in 2026, including what the app does, whether players can actually win rewards, and the biggest misconceptions you need to avoid. Let's get straight into it. Blackout Bingo is a skill-based mobile game that combines traditional bingo concepts with competitive gameplay. Players compete by scoring points during timed matches rather than relying entirely on random number calls like traditional bingo. The first question most people ask is simple. Can people actually receive payouts from Blackout Bingo? The answer is that eligible users in supported regions may be able to participate in competitions that offer cash prizes according to the platform's rules and local laws. However, this is where most people fail. They hear that payouts exist and immediately assume everyone is making money. That's not how it works. Winning depends on factors such as player skill, competition level, game performance, eligibility requirements, and compliance with the platform's policies. For example, Jake downloads the app expecting easy cash. He enters games without understanding the mechanics and quickly becomes disappointed. Alex spends time learning the game, understanding the scoring system, and setting realistic expectations. His experience is very different. Now here's where it gets interesting. The word legit and the word profitable are not the same thing. A platform can be legitimate while still not being a good way to earn significant income. Many users make the mistake of treating gaming apps as guaranteed money-making opportunities. In reality, apps like Blackout Bingo are best viewed as entertainment platforms that may offer prize opportunities under certain conditions. But here's the problem. The internet is full of exaggerated claims. Some videos make it sound like anyone can earn large amounts of money with little effort. Those claims often leave out important details like competition, skill requirements, eligibility restrictions, and payout policies. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide whether Blackout Bingo is right for you. Before that, always review the app's terms, privacy information, and eligibility requirements before spending money or entering competitions. Now here's the simplest test. Ask yourself 3 questions. Do you enjoy competitive mobile games? Do you understand that winnings are not guaranteed? And are you comfortable following the platform's rules and requirements? If the answer is yes, then you're approaching the app with realistic expectations. Let's recap. Blackout Bingo is a real skill-based gaming app. Eligible users may have access to prize competitions. Winning is not guaranteed. Skill and competition matter, and realistic expectations are essential. Now you have the real answer and can make a more informed decision in 2026. If this review helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest app reviews and gaming guides, and let me know in the comments what your experience with Blackout Bingo has been. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.